There's one. Oh, that's a big one, dude. He's digging. Oh, it's a giant. It's a giant. Alright, what's up, guys? Welcome to Crank Dat Bait Fishing with Matthew and Chris. Today we're at Green Lake. We're gonna test out this lake. It's like our first time here this year. Hopefully we catch some biggins. Let's go. All right, here we go at the first spot. I'm gonna be throwing this jig with a TRD Senko on it. Let's see if we catch anything. All right, first cast. All right, spot number 2. Hopefully the spot's better. Let's see here, let's throw the jig with the TRD Senko. Hopefully we have better luck here. Gotta be fish headed, some fellow bass fishermen over there. All right, made it to the hump. Hopefully catch some fish here. There's one. Doesn't feel like a big one. Oh, actually, it feels pretty strong, actually. Oh, decent one. All right, here we go. Not a bad one. Let's go. Almost a 2-pounder, I think. Maybe a 2-pounder about. Let's go, guys. On that black jig with a Senko TRD thing on it. Let's go. Hey, let's go. First one of the day. Let's get back out there. There's one here. There's got to be more. Got him? Hey, we got one! Hold on.
Take your time.
We got one!
This thing is dank. You know what? It counts.
Let's take them.
Jeez.
See ya, buddy. Oh, he's on fire.
Hey! Caught another dink. Look at that guy.
Hooked up again.
Whew.
It's like shore fishing's paid off. Where'd you catch him on?
Got him on a Ned rigs.
Ned rig. Let's go.
Man, these things are small.
Small ones, man.
Bust out the frog. See if we can make it happen.
Oh, there's one, baby. Let's go. Frogfish. Come on. Get over here. Let's go, baby. Get the net, get the net. I'm flipping him. Oh, shoot, no. Oh, shoot. Oh, my gosh. Woo, let's go. Frogfish. Oh. Wow, that was so cool. Let's go, baby. Let's go, frogfish. Number 1. Let's get it. Let's get this release. And there she goes. Let's go. Woo. I think there will, dude, watch. This little spot right here, I bet you there's another one. Topwater worm. Oh, he's coming for it. Oh, no. There was another one. Oh, it didn't look as big, but missed him though. Huh? Not that big, but that was pretty cool. Saw the wake come in, waited for the blow up, but did not execute. The hook said, oh, as I was talking, let me catch another one, let's go. Let's go, baby. Not as big as the first one, but woo! As I was just saying, let's go, baby. As I was just talking, we catch another one there. That was crazy. We'll see if there's another one back here. It's highly possible. Maybe one more cast here. Let's see. Wow, he ate it right when I casted it. That is crazy. Oh, there he goes. Wow, that was crazy. I wasn't even paying attention. Jeez. Man, frog bite is crazy tonight. I didn't even have time to set a hook on that one. Did you get it yet?
I'm getting all of them.
Oh, nice. Did you get the first one?
No.
Let's go. There we go, baby. Let's go. Oh, that's a nice one. Get the net, get the net, get the net. Put the camera down, get the net. Oh, shoot. Let's go. That's a nice one. Oh, he's digging, he's digging. He's digging. Oh, it's a giant. It's a giant. It's a giant. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Guys, look what we just got. Oh, I'm shaking right now.
Man.
Oh my goodness. Oh shoot, this guy. Oh, chill, chill buddy, chill. Whew.
Caught that off a TOPWATER frog.
Oh, I'm stuck right here. Let's go, guys. Oh, let's try to get this guy out of here. Oh, let me get some pliers here. Oh my goodness. I'm shaking so much I can't take the hook out. There we go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Easy 4-pounder. Let's go.
Jeez. Let's weigh it.
All right, we're gonna weigh this guy. Let me get him in the water, get him some air real quick. Okay. All right, let's weigh this guy. Let's see if I can get my weigher. Oh, boy.
Say 4.6.
All right, here we go. Let me zero it. Okay, zeroed. What is it, guys?
What does that say?
It's like 315. Wow. Almost a 4-pounder, guys. All right. Oh, that's a nice fish. Very nice fish. Let's get this released.
Good size.
There she goes. Let's go. Woo! Oh boy. Let's go. Crazy, dude. Oh man, the TOPWATER bite is insane right now. Put on a TOPWATER, man. Oh boy. Oh, got him. You guys see on?
No.
Oh.
Dang. He swallowed it.
Oh,
But
man.
they...
Is there a pocket right here? You see how it's like kind of in the middle? Oh, you got him. Get him.
Nope.
Oh, what, he missed it?
Yep.
Bro.
Spit it out right
he
away.
misses, man. He didn't get hooked. Maybe he'll come back.
It's not a big splash, so it's probably small.
I don't know. Some big ones just come up and just suck it up. Oh! Bro, he came back for it. Oh, that's one. Dude, that guy came out of the water after he hit it, bro. He had some air time on this guy.
Recorded?
Yeah, I think so. Oh, he's stuck on something. Oh, there he is. He had some air time, guys. Oh my. Wow. This guy has some air time on him. He can like jump like 20 foot, not 20 foot, almost a foot out of the water. That was an insane frog bite. Thanks, buddy. There you go. Pew. Whew. That was insane. Oh, that's a big one, dude. Look at the net. It's a big one, it's a big one. Oh, it's a pike. Ah, man. All right, you go ahead and control while I deal with this. Oh, guys, here's a pike. Thought it was like 4-pounder again, man. All right, we'll let you go, buddy. Later. What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in. Today was an amazing frog fishing day.
It's a good turnout.
We caught a big, almost a 4-pounder, 3.15, but I count it as 4-pounder. Today's MVP lure is definitely the frog. We tried going deep with jigs and swim baits and things like that, but it wasn't working. So at the end there, we just kind of said, screw it and just go towards the shore, and I guess it worked out for us.
Yep. That's all we have today. Thanks for tuning in. Like and share, subscribe. See you next time.